I want to talk to you about how to survive a bear market in crypto. All right, so that's what this video is about. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Of course, it's not investing advice, but I real quickly want to kind of just lay out a few things, a few tactical kind of operational things that you can do to protect yourself in crypto and a bear market. Number one, all bear markets come to an end at some point in time, okay? And so number two, inside of that, if you let your emotions get away with you and you let your emotions take over, i.e. fear and doubt, and you start to make rash decisions about, oh my God, the ship is falling, i.e. crypto is, the crypto ship is on fire in the middle of the ocean and it's going down, then you're liable to make some bad decisions and ultimately they will probably cost you in the long run, okay? So inside of that equation, I have one question that I would tell you to ask yourself when you see or you begin to feel this emotional, wave of, oh my God, things are really, really bad. Ask yourself this one thing. Do you believe that the crypto market is going to grow and get bigger in the next year, 2 years, 3 years? Yes or no? If your answer to that is no, then you probably should not be in crypto. Right, you should not be in it because then for some reason you don't believe in Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto in general, and the mass global adoption that ultimately will happen at some point for crypto. Okay, if the answer to that question is yes, I just realized that Yoda is covered up. We can't have that. Yoda's got to be right there. Okay, if you believe that crypto is going to get bigger. And from time of market capitalization, right now we're below 1 trillion. At our peak, we're right around 3 trillion, right? Do you believe that crypto will get back to 2 trillion, 3 trillion, 4 or 5 trillion dollar market cap? The answer to that is yes, and you don't need the money today to pay the rent, to pay the mortgage, put food on the table, whatever it is, then not investing advice, I wouldn't sell. Okay, so that's a way to survive the bear markets. There will be bear markets. We're in the one right now. We'll probably be in one for a little bit longer. The other way to survive a bear market is to look for opportunities. This is when the smart people are buying, is when everything is depressed, when Bitcoin drops into the teens, which it will in the next day or two because we got Federal Reserve meeting today, we've got GDP data coming out, we've got housing market coming in. All of these things are most likely not going to be great stories right now because of the overall economic factors at play in the United States and globally, etc. Okay? But another way to survive the bear market is to be buying now. And I'm not talking about going all in and maybe you're dollar cost averaging and buying some Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, whatever it is you like. This is when the smart money's made. That's a good way to survive the bear market. Take some good low cost, because everything is depressed right now. Take some good low cost opportunities to lock in some great costs that will ultimately reap you dramatic profits down the way. The final way to survive a bear market is to have a plan. Have a plan on two fronts. Have a profit-taking plan. Look at every crypto you own and ask yourself, how much profit do I want to earn off of that particular crypto? Let's say you own Ethereum and look at it and go, I want to make 30% on that Ethereum investment, or I want to make 40% on that Polkadot investment, or whatever it is. And then look at where you're at. Did you buy Ethereum at $1,000 and right now it's trading at $1,300 and change? You've made 30%. So do you want to take that profit off of the table? Question number one. And maybe take the profit, leave the principal. That's a way to survive. Have a plan. Because a plan also minimizes bad emotional decisions. It minimizes knee-jerk reaction decisions to a market condition at that point in time. Having a plan. It's another way to survive a bear market. Ultimately, though, success is defined in times like this. Buying assets. And by the way, not just crypto. Maybe stocks, mutual funds. Buying in at depressed times is when fortunes are made. It is the hardest thing to do, but this is when fortunes are made. is buying in at times like this. This is not investing advice. I'm not telling you to do this. I can't. That's not my goal. This is what I do. Okay? But this is when the smart money gets in. That's all I got for you. Thank you for a few minutes of your time. I have one goal: to help you navigate crypto, help you make more money in crypto, and keep you more and better informed. That's 3 goals. There you go. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. I'll see you. Go make some money.